President JNC National Council ba Assam bor meeting do kajia kandu bat UMP ka Lok Sabha mentaksini Dr. Ricky AJ Singkan ula pynpaw ya jingeh bagi pynpaw ka rilum jantia kia kandu kabedai bat ki kamti dewiong bat khai dewiong bat ru kabedai bat ke jingeh ka Japon bat ke jala Assam khamtam ki shnang baham ka block 1 bat block 2 halor kini kimat ke JNC kala bu ru da ka dor kha sakhamat UMP bat kerpat ru ba unsngobha ban shimkhia banyakran lam bat ka sarkar pedeng halor kimat ba ka seng kala pynpaw na ka benta ka jingbyang ki paipa ka rilum jantia habakran chik pathai ku bor uba sambor mi lingdo uloang ba kite kimat kidei ki blakkan thop lang ha ka thop jong ka save jantia mission jong ka seng bat kidei ru kimat ki bai yating kho bat ka sarkar pedeng ka bedei bat ka kam dewiong uloang ba nadu ki por kata haswa ba ka National Green Tribunal kan khangi ka jingti bat khai dewiong ki nong trei dewiong ki dei ki batrei ha ka jinglut ka barit ne kata ka small scale ti ha ka jingpan mi ka sarkar ya ka jingpan bana ne ka notification ka bedei bat ka rukamti dewiong ka bada ki kor ki bor ne kata ka scientific mining ka long shisha ka ba thani ki paipa ka rilum jantia ki ba da ka bati dewiong namar ka sarkar kala batha ba ki ba apply ya ka te ka scientific mining ki dei bandani ka jaka ka ba he shispa hektar kumta kani kala pelong ya ki nong trei dewiong pansa ha ka umdum ka weipat kamat ka bedei pat ka jingya ka Japon utai unong hilam ka JNC uloong balada ngi phai din ya ki aka ki bakat kum ka history jong ka rilum jantia baro ki tu ki jaka ki ba ha block 1 bat block 2 ki dei ki badang ha hapo ka jala Meghalaya ha rilum jantia hapo ka hima khadar daloi ka badei ka ilaka labang ka ba minta pan kala let hab no Karbi Anglong Assam halor kani ka seng kala kerpa UMP ba unsngobha banyakran lam bat ka President jong ka India ban pen wan pan yaki shnong ki ba ha block 1 bat block 2 ba ken ha biang no Meghalaya kata hapo rilum jantia.
Today we from the Jantia National Council we have met with our member of the Parliament Lok Sabha, Dr. Ricky AJ Singkan. The issue we have met him is regarding our mission which we launched last year, the Safe Jantia Mission. And in the Safe Jantia Mission we have 5 agenda, and 2 of them is the issue we have to deal with the central government. So today we have met with our MP and we have submitted a memorandum to him regarding the long pending issue of the Jantia National Council regarding the mining of the coal mining, scientific coal mining, because what we have seen in this past few years, the government has issued a notification to apply for this prospecting mining, like to apply for this mining license. It is very hard for the small scale mining people, because in this mining we should have 100 hectare of area so that we can apply for coal mining, which is very difficult for the small miner. Because if we look back, before the NGT banned the coal mining, in Jantia Hills we used to have a small scale mining. So but now it is very difficult for the public, so we have raised the issue with our MP. So our MP has informed us that it is not in his hand, it is both the state government also should move on this issue. But last time also we have met with regarding this SOP of the coal mining. We have met with Chief Minister, we have met with the Secretary of Mining Geology. Verbally they have given an assurance like they have right to the Ministry of Coal India so that they can reduce the hectare. But till date we didn't get it in writing, so we'll be follow up this issue with the state government also. And the next issue of the state Safe Jantia Mission is of this the dispute area between the Assam and the Meghalaya in the Jantia Hills. And we have requested our MP to talk with the President of India so that all the Penar village who are now in Assam will be transferred back to Jaintia Hill, especially in Block 1 and Block 2. Because if we go back to the history of Jaintia, all this place belong to the Jaintia kingdom, especially the Ri Khat Ardaloi. And one of the Ilika of the Khat Ardaloi is that Labang Nong Puluk, which is now in the jurisdiction of this West Karbi Anglong. So we hope in future like our MP will take this matter seriously, and we hope like the government of India will based on the history of the Jaintia kingdom and will transfer this land back to the Jaintia Hills.